morning. You are welcome to the Girl Regional Championship from the Ashanti region. This is the third semi-final contest and it features Kumasi High School, Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School, Opoku Ware School, and Nsmq Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Kumasi High School is represented by
Martinson Amponsa Kwabna, Yakubu Abdul Momin, final year.
Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School is represented by
Udru Ruby, Gia Dixon,
Opoku Ware School is represented by
Downtown Jusopon, Force and Franklin,
Nsmq Senior High School is represented by
Prince Onyinedbia.
Anape Kofi Bright Einstein.
Thank you and best wishes to the schools. Thank you to the schools. Best wishes to you in this contest. The Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Girl with support from Joy News. This is a prime-time production. I am Dr. Thelma Ohinieje, a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. To our contesting schools, we'll have this contest in 4 rounds. In round 1, where we'll start, you'll be asked questions to test your knowledge of principles in physics, biology, mathematics, and chemistry. If a question comes to your school as a main question, you have 10 seconds if there are no calculations. You have 30 seconds if there are calculations. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, you make that question available to the other schools, and the first school to ring their bell would have the opportunity to answer for 1 point if they are correct. However, if the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of -1. Also, if you want to ring for the bonus question, wait for me to rule first. Okay, don't ring your bell whilst another school is giving their answer. If you do that, you are out of that bonus question. Okay, is that good? Okay, best wishes once again. Round 1. This is a preamble to all the schools. Consider the Bohr model of the hydrogen atom. Consider the Bohr model of the hydrogen atom. A Bohr hydrogen atom is in the stationary state with orbital angular momentum 4.23 times 10 to the power -34 joule seconds. I'll take that again. Consider the Bohr model of the hydrogen atom. A Bohr hydrogen atom is in the stationary state with orbital angular momentum 4.23 times 10 exponents minus 34 joule seconds. Kumasi High School, what is the principal quantum number of the state that lies just below the state of the atom?
N is equal to 3.
That's correct. Konongo-Odumasi, what is the energy of the state that lies just above the state of the atom? Go ahead.
It is given by negative 0.544 electron volts.
That's correct. Opoku Ware, find the angular momentum according to the Bohr model of the state that lies just below the state of the atom. Yes.
.15 by 10 exponents negative 34 joule second.
No. Okay, Sims, find the transition energy between the state of the atom and the state that lies just below it. Go ahead.
Zero 0.461 electron volts.
No. Ebono to Opoku Ware.
Negative 0.660 electron volts.
No. So Opoku Ware, your answer was 3.17 times 10 exponents negative 34 joule seconds. And Sims, your answer was 0.661 electron volts. Okay. Kumasi High School, what are thalophytes? Thalophytes. THALLO phytes.
Okay, thalophytes refers to plants that lack a true stem, a true leaf, and a true root. That is, they are plants that
2 out of 3. Konongo-Odumasi, what are xerophytes? Xerophytes. XERO phytes. Go ahead.
Xerophytes refers to plants that are adapted to grow in dry conditions.
They are adapted to.
Grow in dry conditions.
That's correct. Opoku Ware. What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms.
Gymnosperms are organisms that produce naked seeds in cones.
Yes, I'll take it. Between the given pair of ions, provide the formula of the compound formed between the given pair of ions, Kumasi High, strontium ion and nitrate ion.
Okay. So we have SR into bracket NO3 bracket close subscript 2.
Yes, that's correct. Konongo-Odumasi, aluminium ion and sulfate ion. Yes.
So you have A small l subscript 2 into bracket SO4, like SO and O is subscript 4. That's closed bracket subscript 3.
That's correct. Opoku Ware. Ion 3 plus, ion 3 plus, and carbonate ion. Go ahead.
Fe subscript 2 open bracket CO3 close bracket subscript 3.
That's correct. Sims, ammonium ion and phosphate ion.
Bracket open NH4 bracket close subscript 3 PO4.
That's correct. A preamble. Find the equation of the locus of the point P with coordinates x, y if it moves in the xy plane such that it is equidistant from the given point and the given axis. I'll take it again. Find the equation of the locus of the point P, coordinates x, y, if it moves in the xy plane such that it is equidistant from the given point and the given axis. That's the preamble. Express your answer in the form y squared equals or x squared equals. Okay, that's how I want your answer. Y squared equals whatever or x squared equals. Then it follows. Kumasi High. The point A with coordinates 5, 0 and the y-axis. Go ahead.
We have the equation to be x squared is equal to 20y.
No. A bonus. Okay. Konongo-Odumasi. The point B with coordinates 0,6 and the x-axis. Go ahead.
X square is equal to 24y.
No. Opoku Ware. The point C with coordinates -4,0 and the y-axis. Yes, go ahead.
X squared equals -8x minus y squared minus 16.
Repeat the answer.
X squared equals -8x minus y squared minus 16.
No. Sims. The point D coordinates 0,5 and the x-axis. Go ahead.
X squared equals 10y minus 25.
That's correct. So the answer is Kumasi High. Your answer was y squared equals 10x minus 25. Konongo-Odumasi, x squared equals 12y minus 36. Opoku Ware, y squared equals minus 8x minus 16. And then Sims, x squared equals 10y minus 25. A preamble. An object of mass m1 moving with speed v collides with and becomes attached to a stationary object of mass m2. Find, leaving your answer as a fraction where appropriate, the change in total kinetic energy given that an object of mass m1 moving with speed v collides with and becomes attached to a stationary object of mass m2. Find, leaving your answer as a fraction where appropriate, the change in total kinetic energy given that Kumasi High m1 equals 1 kilogram, m2 equals 2 kilogram, and v equals 4 meters per second. Go ahead.
we have negative 2/3 joules.
No. Opoku Ware.
(16/3 joules).
No. Konongo-Odumasi, M1 equals 2 kilograms, M2 equals 1 kilogram, and V equals 3 meters per second. Go ahead.
Negative 3 joules.
That's correct. Opoku Ware. M1 equals 2 kilogram. M2 equals 3 kilogram. And V equals 4 meters per second. Go ahead.
We have negative 9.6 joules.
Repeat that.
Negative 9.6 joules.
No. Okay. Konongo-Odumasi.
Negative 48/5 joules.
No. Sims. M1 equals 2 kilogram. M2 equals 2 kilogram. And V equals 4 meters per second. Go ahead.
Negative 8 joules.
That's correct. Kumasi High, your answer was negative 16/3 joules. And then Opoku Ware, negative 27/5 joules. Kumasi High, what biological class do tapeworms belong to? Go ahead.
Class Cestoda.
That's correct. Konongo-Odumasi, what name is given to the chain of proglottids in the main body of tapeworms? Go ahead.
The kaita.
No, a bonus. Opoku Ware, name 2 common names of the 2 Taenia species that affect humans. Go ahead.
Taenia solum and Taenia capetum.
Tina what?
Solum and Taenia capetum.
No. Okay, a bonus here, a bonus to Kumasi High.
We have Taenia
tetani, and tinea clostridium.
No. I asked for the common names. So it's beef tapeworm and pork tapeworm. Your answer was strobila. Okay. Sims, what constitutes the long flat bodies of tapeworms that are used for attachment to the host? Yes, go ahead, Sims.
What is the suckers and hooks?
No. Oh, you haven't finished? Okay.
And they are collectively called the school legs.
Okay, that's correct. So it's a scolex. Okay. A preamble. An organic compound has molecular formula C5H10. Give the systematic name of one saturated structural compound. I'll take it again. An organic compound has the molecular formula C5H10. Give the systematic name of one saturated structural isomer of this compound. I'll start with Kumasi High. Yes.
Cyclopentane.
That's correct. Konongo-Odumasi.
2-methyl-butane.
Oh. No bonus. Yeah, Opoku Ware.
Methyl cyclobutane.
Repeat that.
Methyl cyclobutane.
No. No. You said methyl cyclobutane. Yes, that's correct. Sims. Sims.
1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane.
That's correct. Okay, so the others are ethyl cyclopropane and 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane. A preamble. It's quite hard to hear, so with the noise, I don't hear what they are saying. Find the remainder. Ax plus b when the polynomial f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 is divided by. Find the remainder ax plus b when the polynomial f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 is divided by Kumasi High. The expression x minus 2 multiplying the expression x plus 1. Go ahead.
The remainder is given by x plus 5.
No. A bonus to Konongo-Odumasi.
We have 2x plus 1.
That's correct. Konongo-Odumasi. The expression x plus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 1. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. It is given by 8x minus 3.
That's correct. Opoku Ware. The expression x minus 1 multiplying the expression x plus 1. Go ahead.
3x plus 8.
No. Okay, Sims.
11x plus 10.
No. Sims, your own question. The expression x minus 2 multiplying the expression x plus 2. Go ahead.
6x minus 7.
That's correct. Opoku, your answer was 3x plus 2. Okay. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Okay, so before we go on to the scores of round one, there are a few concerns. So this is from Opoku Ware. They challenged their physics question. So the one on the collision, they were to calculate the change in total kinetic energy. So we've reworked it, and the answer is actually correct. It was equivalent to even the bonus course gave. So we'll get that. Also, the very first physics questions I asked. So Opoku Ware gave me answers that were very close to the answers I have, but I've spoken to the consultant, so he says it depends on the value of the reduced Planck's constant they used, and their answers are close enough, so I should accept it. Brings the scores at the end of round two. That brings the scores at the end of round one to Kumasi High School 13 points. Opoku Ware School 15 points. Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School 16 points. Nsmq Senior High School 20 points. Round two. Round two is a speed race, and here each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. The first school to ring their bell and gives a correct answer would have 3 points. Second correct answer, 2 points. The third and fourth correct answer, 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. Okay, please let's have absolute silence so they can hear. Find the coordinates of the final image point. After the point A, minus 2,3 is reflected in the origin, and the image reflected in the point Opoku Ware.
Negative 3,2.
No. Cos. Konongo-Odumasi.
3,-2.
No. I'll continue. And the image reflected in the point 2,-1. Kumasi High.
4,-4.
No. Okay, the answer is 2,1. Solve for x. Given 4 to the power 2x equals 3 to the power is 3x minus 1. Opoku Ware.
X equals log to the base 3, log to the base 2 of 3. That whole expression.
-1.
No. Okay, I have x to be equal to log 3 on the expression 3 log 3 minus 2 log 4. Okay, our next question. Find the stationary point of the curve y equals the expression x plus 1 on x. Kumasi, hi.
It has no stationary point.
That's correct. An organic compound with the empirical formula CH4N2O has a molecular mass of 360.32 gram per molar. Yes.
Is given by C6H24N12O6.
No. Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
C6H24N8O4.
No. Same.
C9H36N18O9.
No. I'll continue. How many atoms are present in the molecular formula of this compound? Kumasi, hi.
There are 58 atoms.
No. So the compound is C6H24N12O6 and there are 48 atoms. Yeah. Determine the sum of coefficients of reactants and products in the balanced equation when silicon dioxide reacts with hydrogen fluoride to form silicon tetrafluoride and water. Konongo-Odumasi. 8. That's correct. Calculate the molar mass of an unknown gas of mass 2.8 grams present in a 1.12 Nsmq vessel at STP. Opoku Ware. Yes. Opoku Ware.
14 grams per mole.
No. Konongo-Odumasi.
56 grams per mole.
That's correct. Is given to the bony plates attached to series of
Slurides.
no. Attached to series of muscles that cover the gill in bony fishes. Opoku Ware.
Operculum.
Yes, that's correct. is ornithophyly? Kumasi.
Ornithophyly is the pollination by birds.
That's correct. What common name is given to Spirogyra? Kumasi High.
Green algae.
No.
Blanket weed.
No. The algae. So what common name is given to Spirogyra, the algae? Pond silk. Pond silk. Find the wavelength of light of frequency 2.4 times 10 to the power 14. Opoku Ware. Yes.
We have 1.3 by 10 to the power -6 meters.
No.
It was given by 1.3 by 10 exponents.
No.
Negative.
No. Kumasi High.
1.25 by 10 to the power -6 meters.
No. And I'll finish the question. In glass of refractive index 1.5. (8.3 times 10 exponent minus 7 meters). Find the component of the magnetic field 4I minus 3J plus 5K Weber per meter squared in the direction of the vector I plus 2J minus 2K. Okay, -4 Weber per meter squared. Our last question for the round. An object is placed 5 centimeters in front of a diverging lens of focal length -20 centimeters. Find the distance between the object and the image of Kumasi High. Kumasi High. Go ahead. Give me the answer.
The distance
Answer.
is given by
Answer.
8 centimeters.
No. Sims. Answer.
9 centimeters.
Come again.
9 centimeters.
No. Owas.
1 centimeter.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round.
Please settle down. We need to continue the contest. Settle down, please.
At the end of round 2, the scores are Opoku Ware School 13 points, Kumasi High School 14 points, Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School 16 points, Sims Senior High School 18 points, round 3. In this round, round 3. Before we go on to round 3, Opoku Ware School would like Franklin to come on for Jason. Can we have some silence so we go on? Round 3. In this round, I'll read out a series of statements to your school. For each statement, I want you to tell me if it's true or false. If you answer correctly, 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, a penalty point of 1. If you decline to answer, another school can ring for your question for the same rules, okay? In this round, I'll start with Konongo-Odumasi. Konongo-Odumasi, and you should all look at me, okay? No looking into the crowd, eyes on me. For an acute angle, sorry, I'll take that again. For an acute triangle, the circumcenter is inside the triangle. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Opoku Ware. For a right-angle triangle, the circumcenter is outside the triangle.
False.
Yes, it's false. For a right-angle triangle, the circumcenter is inside the triangle. Yes, go ahead.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi High. For an obtuse triangle, the circumcenter is outside the triangle. Yes.
True.
Yes, it's true. So the statements I'm going to make are about hair follicles. Hair follicles. Konongo-Odumasi. They are made up of different cell types.
False.
No, it's true. Opoku Ware. They are totally absent. They are totally absent in the palms, soles, and feet.
False.
Yes, it's false. Take the microphone down. Bring it down. Turn it on. And leave it on. Okay? Leave it on. Since their distribution changes over the body,
It's true.
yes, it's true. Kumasi, hi. There are sheaths of cells and connective tissues surrounding hair roots. Yes. Into the microphone.
It is true.
Yes, it's true. Konongo-Odumasi. The enthalpy change of a reaction is always the same, regardless of the reaction. Go ahead.
True.
No, it's false. Opoku Ware. The enthalpy change of a reaction is measured experimentally.
True.
Yes, it's true. The enthalpy change of a reaction is independent of the pathway taken from reactants to products. Go ahead.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi, hi. The enthalpy change of a reaction can be used to determine whether the reaction is exothermic or endothermic.
It is a true statement.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. A charged particle moves in a region where only an electric field and a magnetic field exist. A charged particle moves in a region where only an electric field and a magnetic field exist. Konongo-Odumasi, the particle moves in the direction of the electric field.
False.
Yes, it's false. Opoku Ware, the particle moves perpendicular to the magnetic field.
True.
No, it's false. Since the acceleration of the particle is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Yes,
is false.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi High. The particle moves along a hyperbolic path. Yes.
It's a false statement.
Yes, it's false. Konongo-Odumasi. For any real number a, y equals a to the power x is an exponential function. Yes. True. No, it's false. It's only true if a is not equal to 1. Opoku Ware. The exponential function y equals a to the power x is an increasing function.
False.
Yes, it's false. Sims. The exponential function is a decreasing function. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi High. The inverse of y equals a to the power x is y equals log to the base a of x. Yes.
Statement.
Into the microphone.
It is a true statement.
It's true, yes. Konongo-Odumasi. Phototropic plants only respond to light.
False.
Yes, it's false. Opoku Ware. Stems of phototropic plants respond negatively to light.
False.
Yes, it's false. Stems. Stems are usually phototropic. Yes.
It's true.
No, it's false. Kumasi High. Plant roots are negatively phototropic. Yes.
A true statement.
Yes, it's true. Konongo-Odumasi. Alkanoic acids contain the OH group. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Opoku Ware. All amines contain the functional group NH2.
True.
No, it's false. Sims. Both aldehydes and ketones have the C double bond O group.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Kumasi High. Both ethers and esters have a COC group. So C single bond O single bond C group. Yes. Kumasi High.
It's a true statement.
Yes, it's true. Konongo-Odumasi. An isothermal increase in the pressure of an ideal gas is accompanied by a decrease in internal energy of the gas. An isothermal increase in the pressure of an ideal gas is accompanied by a decrease in internal energy of the gas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Opoku Ware. An adiabatic change in the pressure of an ideal gas occurs without heat exchange between the gas and its environment.
True.
Yes, it's true. 6. An isothermal decrease in the pressure of an ideal gas is accompanied by a decrease in internal energy of the gas. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi High. An adiabatic change in the temperature of an ideal gas does not change the internal energy of the gas. Yes.
It's a false statement.
Yes, it's false. That brings us to the end of round 3. Hello, hello. There's a protest from Opoku Ware about their physics question, that when a charged particle is in a region where an electric field and a magnetic field exist, the particle moves perpendicular to the magnetic field. So the answer I gave is false. They are saying the answer should be true. So this is what I've been trying to get the consultant to explain why. There's too much noise, I can't hear. But he says the answer is false. So we'll move on to round 3. Sorry, at the end of round 3, the scores. Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School, 17 points. Opoku Ware School, 23 points. Kumasi High School, 30 points. Nsmq Senior High School, 31 points. Round 4. In this round, we determine who goes on to the final, the Ashanti Regional Championship. We are going to determine the winner of this contest using 4 riddles. For each riddle, I'll give you a series of clues. The clues are to enable you solve for the riddle. At any time, if you have an answer, you ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to give your answer. If it's a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points, okay? If the answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You stay out of the riddle and come back for the next one. So our first riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a dynamical quantity. I am a component of conserved dynamical quantity. Kumasi High.
Angular momentum.
No. I am scalar. Changes in my value for an object occur when the net force on the object. Yes, Sims.
Distance.
No. Changes in my value for an object occur when the net force on the object does work on it. Who am I? Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware.
Work.
No. Konongo-Odumasi.
Speed.
No. So it's kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Our next riddle. I am a highly radioactive element. I am naturally occurring. I am an alkaline earth metal. I was discovered by Marie. Yes, Sims.
Radio.
That's correct. Our next riddle. organism. I am a unicellular organism. I am like the mythical shapeshifter. Pause.
Amoeba.
That's correct. Our last riddle. I am a 2-digit number. When my digits are reversed, I'll take that again. I am a 2-digit odd number. That's the first clue. I am a 2-digit odd number. When my digits are reversed, the number formed is an even number. Yes.
81.
No. My 2 digits are prime numbers. Sims. Yes, Sims.
We have 72.
No. Okay, I'll continue. My digits are prime numbers. The sum of my digits is an odd square digit. Opoku Ware.
27.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 4. At the end of round 4, the scores are Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School 21 points, Opoku Ware School 26 points, Kumasi High School 30 points, Same Senior High School 34 points. So with that score, Same Senior High School qualifies for the final contest of the Ashanti Regional Championship. Congratulations, Sims. Well done. Better luck next time to Kumasi High School, Opoku Ware School, and Konongo-Odumasi Senior High School. The Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Girl, with support from Joy News. This is a prime time production. I am Thalma Ohinie J, your quiz mission.